Right. Atenel, 5 more.
Five more. Now guys,
Sister Agnes.
limang rapol ang i-rapol muna nila bago kakain. Ayan.
Si LC Oriental. Ito.
Yan.
After this, we can organize a dinner.
Yeah, let me just ask the food committee, okay?
That's fine. Yes. So I'm asking Mrs. French to get 5 winning raffle tickets.
Food committee.
So we got 3, 4. Okay, 5. So we have from Metro, we have Blind Unified Filipino, Top Care, have Iron.
So we have some Top Care,
Okay,
please.
first winner.
Top Care.
Top Care.
Dapat si Top Care. Okay na. Green and white ticket, Sister Ellie. 296 to 300. Green and white ticket, 296 to 300.
Ano pre?
Nanalo ka? Let me see, congratulations.
Congratulations.
Ayan, mainit na yan.
Mainit na.
Next, blue ticket. 491
Pamainit.
to 495.
2 times.
Blue and white ticket. Blue and white ticket, 491, 495 for hamper.
For hamper.
Oh, there you go, we got a winner. Thank you, blue and white ticket. Yay! Congratulations.
Congratulations. Next is green and white. 151 to 155.
151 to 155.
Napanood natin guys, oh.
Thank you.
Yan oh.
White, green and white.
Oh, yan oh.
Yun, si ano, green and white.
Warm.
Green and white.
Mainit.
Congratulations.
Yeah, that's all. Congratulations.
Congratulations, team. Next is Russell Hub Iron. Green ticket 641 to 645.
Green and white ticket, 641, 645. Green and white ticket, 641, 645. I'm just guessing the people from the other side can hear us as well. Kasi we have it there, we have a speaker there.
Any winner? 641 to 645.
Meron yan. 641, 645. Number one. Got it? Number one, get this one. A small ticket. Blue, small ticket. Number one. You got it, Sebastian? Congratulations.
And for the girls, number 36.
Number 36. 36 only.
For the soft toy, 36
Small ticket.
kids.
The pink one. Pink.
Oh, we have a winner there.
Pink, pink. Pink ticket. You have one? Wala? Pink ticket. We have a winner.
We have a winner.
Oh, hello. Merry Christmas.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year.
Chat, chat!
Chat, chat, parigat.
Chat, chat, parigat! Gan, berat gan!
Yan. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Merry Christmas.
Wala pa!
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Ay. Merry Christmas guys. Yan oh. Mga teenager dito sa Lubman. Oh. Hello. Merry Christmas. Subscribe, like, and share.
Shout up! Anong ticket?
So, may Christmas party. Kung kayo dito, anong nangyayari dito?
Tangon.
Sana ma-enjoy niyo po yung vlog. Bye!
Yan guys, magpakain muna sila.
Could I just inform you about the rules? So, it will not be chaotic, it will be an organized chaos.
Okay. I think everyone's hungry, Chairman, so we can start dinner.
What kind of food you have there, Sister
Okay.
Ellie?
Can I just again mention to everybody about the food sponsors? Thank you very much, Marathon Court Nursing Home staff. Thank you very much, Calape and Isberto family. Thank you very much, Macaaras family. Elder Grange Nursing Home staff, Agnes Nono and family, Couples for Christ, Jocelyn family, La Familia. Salamat La Familia for your generosity. Casalo, of course, Casalo. Vilma Davis and family. Children, they help
Merry Christmas!
some food. Next is Henry Sinaon.
Andito. Hindi ko alam.
Salvador.
Basta andito.
family. Casal. Fresh. Thank you very much, Sarah. We call them Terangers. So, any representative of Terangers here? There. Beth, thank you very much. Bagaw and Arellano family. Carl and Mel Potenciano. And Dr. Greenham, thank you very much. Gladys Umbila and Watson family. Kirsty
Kirsty
Budali.
Dalit.
Yeah.
Si Frankie.
Of course, si Ate Ailey Manis, Jonalyn Brazil, Caroline Amante, and Rhea and Liza. Because of them, we have a feast to
Yes,
share.
and other sponsors as well. Meron kami hindi nabanggit. Have we forgotten somebody who brought food and we're not able to mention it? Okay. Anyway, the rules is
The rules, okay.
Sa Pindao, the entrance for the food is that way, okay? Nandun ang entrance. Tapos sa center niyan, yeah, there are 2 lanes. You can use 2. Both are the same food anyway, yeah? So then you exit and you come back here if you want to. The children though, if you want,
Yeah. So we have tables in there that you can use.
Yeah.
We
for your convenience, we have tables there. You can hear us as well because we have speakers. So you can hear us there as well, okay?
okay.
If you want your children to stay there, you can, for your convenience. Otherwise, you can come back here and you can eat here. Does that make sense? Any questions? Okay.
Okay.
We start from what coded, yeah?
Yeah, what we have explained earlier, of course, those who came as early as 5:30, so there will be the first group who will have the chance to get their food. So the first is the blue ticket. Oh, so those children, you need to get tickets from your mom. It has to be a purple ticket. Okay, so you will line up to the children's food. The children. Is it or purple or white? I beg your pardon. So for the children, the color of your ticket is either purple or white. Yeah? And the first group for the adults, you need to have the first batch will be the blue stop. So as can start the children first to go that side.
Go that way, children.
Purple
Bring your mom.
and the
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!
Shout out, Mari John!
Oh, Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!
Kasama rin pamigay yan.
Oh, mayroon! Nandun sa likod.
Birthday.
Merry Christmas!
Siyempre.
Sana yung ticket ko? Nandun sa anak ko. Nandun na. Binigay mo kanina. Sorry. You know, Merry Christmas. Yan, Merry Christmas. Pwede. Merry Christmas.
Balikin mo na sa upuan nila yan. Sige ba? Ano ba siya? Nakapasok na siya.
Saan ba ako? Bakit nandito na ako?
Dapat kasi wala ko ulit yan.
Yan na nga. Ikaw, pinayaan mo ako eh. Pinabayaan mo na ako eh.
Ayun, nung nauna, anak mo nakapila na. Oh.
Kaya na nga, puntaan ko muna. Merry Christmas! Hey, Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Pre, Merry Christmas! Ano mo itong community na to? Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!
Christmas po.
Yan. First time ba? Ah, maganda. Malamig ba? Ganon. Kailan kayo dumating? Last year. Ah, matagal na rin. Wow.
2 times na ako. Nung
Ah.
last year, nakatin ako last year.
Ah, nakatayin ka na last year. Ah, okay, okay. Ah, wala. Ah, ngayon lang. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Yuhu! Merry Christmas! Yan dito. Ano kayo makain? Makain tayo. Marami bang makain?
Siguro basta lutong Pinoy.
Basta lutong Pinoy, ano? Parang familiar ko yung mukha mo. Rito ah. Parang iba yung pinapasukan natin ah. Merry Christmas! Parang maliman. Ang bata dito.
I put
Doon pala sa unahan. Sa unahan. Sa unahan di ay. Kani mga bata man ta. Isip bata ba? You know, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas! Shout out!
Shout out.
Shout out po!
Yan, kay Jerome.
Shout out sa Marinduque!
Ah, sa mga taga Marinduque dyan, shout out.
Yep.
Andito na si Jerome.
Ano po?
Merry Christmas.
Ay, Merry Christmas to everybody.
Yan.
Hello, hello. Kain po.
Kain. Hello.
Apo. Thank you po.
Gusto ko yung dinakdakan mo, kababayan. Salamat. Merry Christmas. Hello. Hello, boy. Hello. Tingnan niyo guys, kadaming mga kababayan. Ito. Atayin na po, dayo yadayo. Kinirog. Merry Christmas. Kakain tayo guys.
Yes, sir. Ito ni Pedro. Ano order,
Isang kutsara lang. Tama na, madami. Yan.
Ito lang, dito.
Huwag mo nang lagyan ng sabaw. Ayaw ko ng sabaw.
Chef ni Pedro ito. Chef ni Pedro.
Ayan, salamat.
Chicken?
Chicken. Malit lang. Yan. Tama na. Salamat.
Chicken? Minuto po.
Minuto, dinakdakan. Oh, dinakdakan for the real. Yan, lagyan mo ng sili kaya masarap yun. Hihi. Mahal pa. Shout out sa kanya, oh. Yan.
Chicken?
Apo. Salamat. Merry Christmas. Ang dami niyang naglagay, oh. Gustong-gusto ko yan. I-focus ko yan. Panoorin mo na lang ito sa video ko, ha.
Makita po tayo.
Sa vlog ko. Hindi na yan po. Salamat. That's it.
like this one.
That one.
Oh, it's gorgeous.
Oh. Get another one.
No, no. Let everybody else have a go.
Is that nice? I try this one.
Have enough food to feed everyone.
I know this one. It's nice.
It's beef, isn't it?
That is Chef de Pedro.
Oh, is it? Oh,
Yeah.
salad.
Banbalasala. Yeah.
And
That's
is it,
why.
Is the Chef de Pedro, is it off the main in the new housing estate.
Yeah. You have a look down there in Balasala. You know the Spar in Balasala?
Yeah.
Yeah, down there. Next to Spar.
Ah, right.
Yeah. You know the fish and chips before?
Yeah.
That's the building. Yeah. Yeah. Dami.
Food, okay lang.
Merry Christmas, kababayan!
Putik ko naman kung paano mo rin ang hakin ng video.
Merry Christmas!
Maligayang Pasko.
Maligayang Pasko! Ayan!
Yes po dito.
Ayan!
Successful lahat ng successful.
Oo, yan o. Yan, si Kenito. Konyan, support! Haircut! Haircut! Anong pangalan ng haircut?
Dito, the barber po.
Kenito the Barber. Ayan.
Kalilimutan, pagkakaroon pamahaba niyo ang buhok.
Buhok. Kailangan magpagupit. Pabuk na.
Yes.
Yeah. Bigay mo yung address. Kailangan yung address.
Number 2A, Windsor Road.
Sa Windsor Road. Sa Windsor Road ba? Wala na doon sa dati.
Wala na po doon. Tuloy na ako doon dito.
Okay. Doon. Okay. Yan.
Mana po ako dito, Jun?
Oo. Sige. Yan. Puntahan natin yan. Kain. Huwag kalimutan ha. Kung mahaba na buhok nyo dito sa Isle of Man,
Yun.
kontakin lang si Kenito the Barber. Ayos. Kana, kasama ko yan.
Tawag sa kalibutan na pinahangaan nag-akman, nagtulungan luha kasagad na ang sunod sa una-unang kaswit sa sinundanan pinapot na kabungahan mag-isang inundan imuming biglaan
Asawa ko yan!
tayo yan ginanay kanduhan diri sa balay may magkaalalay tayo yan ginanay kanduhan diri sa balay walang magkaalalay diri sa balay walang magkaalalay tayo liyan nanay kami duhan diri sa balay walang magkaalalay
Bunot ka daw ng 5 ticket. Oo, kasi iba-ibang raffle. Isa sa'yo. Isang kuha. Isang kuha. Doon sa ibang lugar daw. 2 kuha. Ayan na po. 3 kuha. Paltak na yun. All sa home. Ilan na yan? Ilan na yan? Tama na yan. Tama na yan. Anak po. Puputol ako. Okay. Dito. Thank you very much sa 50 pounds. Ito po ang winner. Orange and white ticket. Orange and white ticket. Ayun. 771-775. Orange and white ticket. 771-775. Okay? Okay. Next one. Pakitake. Next one. Anong panalo nito? Meron yan. Nandyan lang yan. Kumakain. Blue and white ticket. Winner po ng bigas. Rice is life. 721-725. 721-725. Ayun. May panalo. Yes. Yung iba naman, meron din dito. Congratulations. Yay. 721-725. Yeah. Thank you. Galing sa Kasapi po. Next one. Anong puto? Pink. Colorblind na talaga ako. Pink and white. Number 11, number 15. Meron ako dyan? Number 11, number 15. Pink. Panalo ng hamper. Ayun, meron dun. Pink, 11 and 15. Si Rona. Sino yun? Oh. Pink ticket? Yeah. Sa ilalim. Oh, but last na, isa pang ticket. Green and white. Another hamper. Galing sa Kasapi po. Sa Kasapi. 711-715. Green ticket. 711-715. 711-715. Green. Meron? Okay, babalik ko lang dito ha. Hindi naman mapuforfeit yan. Mamaya na natin i-raffle pag wala talaga. Teka muna. Meron pa isa.
Maybe
Sa galing sa kay dito ito. Sa orange and white, 771-775. Wala? Sige lang. Okay lang yan. 326-330. Orange ticket. 326-330. Wala rin? That's fine. Orange ticket. Orange and white. Okay, another one. Meron makiklaim yan. Galing sa Future Care. Okay, green and white. 381-385. Panalo po ng sack of rice. Green and white. 381-385. Okay, lalagay lang natin dito ha kasi baka yung mga officers din kumakain lang o sino man sa inyo. Sino pa hindi na nanalo?
Ito din.
Ah, maraming pa. O yung TV. Go. Ano pa? Bouncer, 25 pounds ito. Naalala ko to eh. 25 pounds. Kasalo. Oh, salamat. May yellow. Yellow and white. 151, 155. Yellow. Yellow and white. 151, 155. Wala pa? Ayun, meron. Maliwalo.
Yeah, but so good.
Si Junara? Si Jenjen na lang daw, representative. Nahiya na yun. Yellow? Jen?
Wait, can you take down the
Yellow?
Do you bring it
Yellow?
outside?
Yellow ribbon?
Take it out.
Yellow ribbon, Jen. Thank you. Congratulations, Jen.
You know how you can take out
Okay. Saan si Sister Ellie kumakain?
I'm taking the glass.
Let's introduce. Kilala niyo ba yung band na to? Ang band. Part ng band. Kilala po kayo. Introduce yourselves.
But I don't think it's the I wish he did. But probably the most disappointing at the end.
Hi vlog! Kay Dr. Catherine. Hello, Merry Christmas! Yan si Doktora dito sa Ilogman, Pilipino. Yan, dentist.
Live po ba to?
Hindi. Edit ko lang.
Ano ko nag-live
Thank you. That's the last song for tonight. Good night, guys. Thank you. Hey, last name, guys. Last name. Hey, last name, guys. Last name. Next Christmas, Diyan mga guys, isa pa lang yun sa pang 45 songs, no?
Ang daming Pilipino ngayon guys. Ang daming mga nag-attend ng Christmas party.
Salamat po. Salamat sa banda. Guys, we're running out of time a little bit lang naman. Kaya lang behind a little. Yeah. 700. Yeah. Thank you. Congratulations.
Rise for the life!
Next one. Sorry. Okay lang. Galing sa NC Oriental. Yellow and white ticket. Sack of rice. 416 to 420. Yellow. Yellow. Pakipagpag. Santa Claus set. Listen, listen.
Oh, hello.
2-0.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas! Feliz Navidad!
Meron.
Next is green ticket 221 to 225. Green ticket 221 to 225
It's like mine.
for voucher.
Green and white.
Green and white.
211.
221, 2225. Agnes. Anong nanalo ni Agnes? Voucher?
Voucher from Stella French.
Okay.
Let me hold it!
Oh.
Why are you putting it in your
Sister Agnes, congratulations. Stella, yung name ng company mo is about real estate? Real estate nagbebenta ng lupa? Ganon? Or nagpaparent? Renting? Why? Cecil? Children?
Congratulations, Arlene. Next is orange ticket 46 to 50.
Metro Remittance?
Egg
Egg
cooker.
cooker. Oh, yung mga naglalaka ng itlog. Winner na ka na. 46 to 50.
46 to 50 orange.
4650. Ayun, orange ticket. Nabubusog ka sa itlog.
Next is orange ticket again 316 to 320. 10 kg of rice. Orange ticket 316 to 320. 316 to 320. Orange ticket. We have a winner.
Picturean kita dyan, nak. Nak, picturean kita, nak.
Ayun, panalo po tayo. Ano panalo niyo?
10 kg of rice.
Okay.
Hi, Tito.
Check natin.
Hello.
316.
Hi, hi,
Yeah.
guys.
Thank you.
Merry Christmas.
Hi, Merry Christmas, ka-junior.
Start with a white ticket 466470.
Solid white. 466.
Ka-junior, Tito.
470.
Junior.
Yun, may nanalo.
Hi, Mayora.
Brent. XD. White.
Another 10 kilograms of rice. The winning ticket is green. Children,
What I heard. Is that coming? If you're not, if you're not, quiet. Children. You have to be quiet, okay? No choice from Santa Claus. Children, we have to be quiet. Can you not hear Santa Claus and the reindeers? Now, you have to use your listening skills now. Listen. Sa TV, go. Green ticket, 496 to 500, solid green. Dali ha, hanapin ko yung bell ha. Kasi wala si Santa Claus.
okay, 10 kg of rice. Oh, we have a winner, 496 to 500. Next, I got two more. From the Isle of Man Filipino taxi drivers, 25 cash. The winning ticket, orange ticket again, 321 to 325. 321 to 325.
No.
That's two in a row. Congratulations. And the next one, 321 to 325. Congratulations. And then from Infinity, 50 pounds voucher. Dr. Greenaw, thank you very much. Blue ticket, 151 to 155. 151 to 5. Blue ticket. Wala na. 5, 4, 3. 1, 5, 1, 2. Okay.
It's really a lot of toys. Don't worry about
Stop
doing
mo.
how.
This is 20 pounds voucher from Max Fun Barn. And the winning ticket, it's a pink ticket. Pink ticket, 516 to 520. 516 to 520.
I've won.
Max Fun Barn. Oh, we have a winner there. Please come forward, claim your raffle prize. Oh, si Queenie. Okay. Chef De Pedro. Chef De Pedro again. Voucher from Chef De Pedro, 25 pounds. Ticket number 57 to 60. 57, green, solid green. 57 to 61. Solid green.
That's not the one.
Sorry, green